This is Jeremy from JMG Tin and Wraps. Today I'm going to show you how to install a headlight PPF for a Tesla Model Y. The same thing will apply for the Model 3 as well. So first thing you want to do is have your solution wet on the headlight. Apply the film in the general area. What you need to do first is tack one section first. The first tacking section is going to be this front corner. So all I'm really going to worry about is that this direction from this section is all in line with the pattern of the headlight. Once I know that's in the right location, I'm going to use my tacking solution. To tack this corner in place. I want to make sure I'm confident with the location of it, and I am definitely happy with the location of it, but the fact that I'm moving it and it's still moving means that it is not yet to be tacked. All right, I'm good now. So all I need to do now is stretch the film in the right directions, and most of the fingers will come out. But before I do so, I have the one corner tacked. What I like to also do is tack the other corner. So now both corners are in the proper locations they need to be in. Now that my corner is tacked, you notice there's still fingers here, and now the film is picking up on this side. So watch as I pull in this direction, all of the fingers start disappearing. See that? So you know what that tells me? This is the actual location it needs to be in for it to be in the right position. And as you notice, the closer I get it into the right positioning, all the fingers go away. And now we have this perfectly in the position we want it in. Slowly start to squeegee out all the moisture. And now, don't worry too much about fingers coming up on the edges. Because we are so close to the edge, it's bound to pick up moisture that's rolling just over the edge. So what you really want to do is grab your towel that's dry. What you want to do next is grab your towel that is lint-free. This is a cloth towel that does not have any type of lint that will come off, which is very important when dealing with PPF because you do not want felt to get into any of your film. All right, now that we do a nice wipe down, we're gonna check the film and it looks A1. And that, my friends, there you go, is how you do a headlight PPF for a Tesla Model 3 and Y. Thank you for tuning in to JMG Tin and Wraps. Have a good day.